Meet the Gosvor LightVac G1, the ultimate lightweight robotic pool cleaner with pro-level performance. Nothing's too tough for LightVac. It has up to 3,960 gallons per hour engineered suction power, with up to 200 minutes continuous runtime, 150 minutes in smart, floor, wall mode, and covers pools up to 2,153 square feet per cycle. With multi-layer filtration with 3-micron ultrafine filter.
Today I have the Gosvor LightVac G1 robotic pool cleaner. Let's see what's all included. Oh wow, that thing's light. Alright, I got everything unpacked. It comes with a nice quick start guide. It comes with an instruction manual, a power adapter, buoyancy foam, and a hook to grab your robot. And I really like this hook. It's oversized, so it will have no problem grabbing this robot. And then you have your robot. This thing looks awesome. But I'll tell you what, I can already tell my favorite feature is going to be is how light this thing is. Just lifting it out of the box, I was impressed in just how light this thing was. All right, let's check out the features. So up front, you got your control panel, and you got your power button. To turn the unit on, you just long press your power button. Up top, you got your LED status indicator light. It's got 4 different cleaning modes. It's got smart mode, where it cleans your walls and your floor, and it plans its path based on battery level. And then you have floor mode. It cleans the pool floor in an S-shaped route without climbing the walls. And then you have wall mode. It cleans the pool's walls in an N-shaped route without cleaning the floor. And last, you have periodic mode, and this cleans the pool's floor automatically for about 45 minutes every 48 hours when it's fully charged. Up front, you got your large roller brush. You got your large caterpillar threads. This thing grips the pool very nice, and they're on both sides. Up top, you got your handle. You got the water outlet and your basket. And that's one of the nicer filter baskets I've seen on these. And on the back is where you charge the unit. So as you can see, my pool is pretty dirty. We're going to put this thing to the test.
Experience smarter pool cleaning with intelligent path planning that delivers optimized wall-to-wall coverage every cycle. This 4-in-1 robotic cleaner handles floors, walls, steps, platforms, and irregular shapes with ease, even in shallow 30-centimeter areas. Its ultra-lightweight 15-pound design, self-parking retrieval, easy filter maintenance, and smart app control with OTA updates make pool care effortless.
So it actually had a little bit of trouble climbing my walls, so we're going to add these foam inserts and see if it'll help it out. So once you get done using the robot, you can pull it out the pool with this included hook. All right, let's see what all it collected. Check out all that. So this thing basically has 2 filters in it. You can take this one out. We're going to take that out and clean it. And also this. Most pool cleaners that I see just have this kind of filter in it. Just like that, it's all clean.
You can also download Gosvor's app and control the pool cleaner with the app. It's easy to install. You just follow the prompts on your screen and you will be controlling your robot in no time. You can change the different cleaning modes.
And just like that, I got a clean pool. And the best thing about it is, I didn't have to lift a finger. The robot did it all. I had a blast testing out this pool cleaner. My favorite feature about it is just how lightweight and portable it is. Check it out. It will be linked down below.